So when I started here, I started as a hand solderer. As positions opened up, I moved to test technician. After about 2 years of doing that, they needed support for our growing second shift. And so they brought me on as a second shift supervisor. Once the test engineer position opened up, they approached me about that due to my experience from schooling, and that's the position I'm in now. So as a test engineer, it is my duty to design, build, and maintain test equipment. The customers will give us test requirements, and it's my job to interpret those requirements into a testable environment. And so it could be something as simple as powering up the board, checking a few voltages, all the way to designing a whole fixture in which you place the board in, software takes over and tests the complete board for all components, all functionality, so that when we give the customer their product, they know that it is going to work. I went to college and received an associate's degree in electronics, and they taught us resistors, capacitors, basic electronic design. Working with the other engineers here, I've learned a lot from them as far as developing that knowledge, how it's used in actual practice. From my experience, the management here is very understanding, and you do need some help from time to time, and they will move around resources in order to assist in what you need. I do like that it is challenging at times, and I like working here because I love understanding what we do and using my knowledge to better help the company.